Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of laundry detergents with a product that promises to elevate your laundry experience to a whole new level. Get ready to indulge in the best high-maintenance glamorous wash available in the market. Introducing the Lumintrail Glamorous Wash High-Maintenance Fine Laundry Detergent. This isn't just your average laundry detergent, it's a luxurious cleansing experience for your wardrobe and linens. Crafted with precision and care, this detergent is designed to leave your clothes feeling fresh, clean, and oh so glamorous. First up, we have its luxuriously cleansing formula. Say goodbye to tough stains and dingy fabrics. This detergent is here to save the day. Whether you're washing delicate linens, lingerie, or everyday clothing, the high-maintenance glamorous wash gets the job done with finesse. Worried about damaging your specialty fabrics? Fear not. This detergent is supremely gentle, making it perfect for washing delicate items like high thread count sheets and fine fabrics. Your clothes will thank you for the TLC they receive with each wash. Ah, the scent. Prepare to be whisked away by the long-lasting fragrance that lingers on your clothes long after they've been washed. With soothing aromas that fill the air, you'll feel like you're walking on clouds every time you open your wardrobe. But wait, there's more. With this detergent, you'll receive a bonus box of fresh scent sachets and a stain remover pen. The sachets infuse your laundry with Tyler's signature scents, while the stain remover pen ensures that your clothes stay pristine. With such glowing reviews, it's clear that the Lumintrail Glamorous Wash is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their laundry game. Say hello to clean, fresh, and oh so glamorous clothes with every wash. That's a wrap for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more honest reviews on products you love. Until next time, happy washing!